Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Windows 11 25S2 bootable USB using Rufus. Also, this helps in installing Windows 11 25S2 on both supported and unsupported devices. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to Geeker Mag. For this tutorial, we need three things: Windows 11 25S2 ISO file, Rufus, free tool that helps in creating bootable USB, and USB flash drive or pen drive. I suggest you to use Type C 3.0 with minimum 8 GB storage, as ISO image of Windows 11 25S2 is around 7 GB in size. Also make sure there is no data in the USB drive. First, let's grab the Windows 11 25S2 ISO file. Head over to Microsoft Windows 11 download page. I will add the link in a description. On this page, scroll down to Download Windows 11 Disk Image section, and using the drop down select Windows 11 Multi Edition and confirm. Next, select the product language depending on the region. I will go with English United States and click confirm. Click on the 64-bit button and this will start downloading the ISO image. The process will take time depending on the internet speed. Next, we need the Rufus. Again, head over to Rufus download page. Link will be in the description. Scroll down to download section and click on the Rufus 4.1.3 link. It's the latest version available as of creating this video. Always download the latest version. I am fast forwarding the process to make this video short. Once both the tools are downloaded, head over to the download location. Double click on the Rufus setup file to open it. When USC dialog box appears, click yes to continue. In this dialog box, click no, as we have already downloaded the latest version. This is how the Rufus looks like. Now inject the pen drive to PC and make sure it's detected by Rufus like this. Under boot selection, select disk or ISO image. Click on the select button in the browse window. Head over to location where Windows 11 25S2 ISO file is downloaded. Select it and open it to load it into the Rufus. Select standard Windows installation under image option. Under partition scheme, select GPT and target system should be UEFI non-CSM. Keep advanced drive properties to default. Under volume label, give your bootable USB a name like Windows 11 25S2 or whatever you want. Under file system, select NTFS and cluster size should be set to default. After that, keep advanced format options to default. Now click on the start button. Windows user experience dialog box will appear with the different options. Now this is important part. These options are useful for those users who want to install Windows 11 25S2 on unsupported PCs. Supported PC users can check or uncheck these options depending on their requirement. Now, checking the first option will remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPT 2.0. If you want to install Windows 11 without Microsoft account, then check this option. If you want to install Windows 11 with local account, then check this option. Here you can type your username. With this option, you can set regional options. This is optional. You can select it depending on your requirement. If you are concerned about data collection, then check this option. This is going to skip privacy questions during installation. While installing Windows 11, setup automatically enable BitLocker. If you don't want it, then check this option. And the last one is, if you want to use Windows CA 2023 signed bootloader, then check this option. But make sure your device is compatible to receive it. After selecting the preferred options, click OK. Now you will receive the warning that all data will be formatted during the process. Click OK. This will start the process of creating Windows 11 25S2 bootable USB. The process will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Just to make this video short, I am fast forwarding the process. Once status reached to 100%, you can close the Rufus and your Windows 11 bootable USB is ready to use. If you don't know how to install Windows 11, Then I have covered a detailed video on how to install Windows 11 25h2 on PC. You will find the link in a description. And that's all about this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.